Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this waxing kit. It is by this brand right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so when you open it up, this is how it's going to come boxed. I've seen people use these and I've actually been wanting to try one for a while, so I'm really excited about this. So you have your wax. This is another wax. You have this little plug-in, which goes to the waxing machine. I'm gonna plug this in down here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this part started so that I can actually do the rest. You can see it's on because that red light's on. It also comes with 50 wax strips. So I'm gonna take this part off, and then you grab your wax and you just stick it in here. And then before you put the lid on, you want to take off this seal thing. So I took off that little plastic seal thing that it had, and I'm going to let it heat up for like maybe 20 minutes total. And then once it's heated up, I'm going to come back and show you guys what to do next. Hopefully I don't lose light. So if I'm dressed differently, I may have lost all the light because it's really ugly and raining outside and very cloudy. So I don't know how much more light I have, but hoping that I get to finish this today. Okay, so I've been letting my hair grow out for a couple of weeks now. So that is what it's looking like. So right there, you can see all these hairs. I don't grow a lot of hair, so it's kind of hard to do stuff like this. This feels like it's pretty warm, so I have my little waxing strips ready. So just go ahead and grab one. Make sure you get one sheet, set it to the side to get ready for it, and then we're going to apply it. I'm going to need my mirror, the mirror behind you, to kind of see what I'm doing. To roll this on. Go ahead and place this. Yep. You can see, go ahead and try to focus it. It definitely got a lot of those hairs off. Dang, I didn't realize how long I let my hair grow. Okay, I need some more wax. I did not get any of this placed down here. Then of course I push down. We're going with the grain, and then we're just going to pull up. Ooh, that hurt. So you can see that's what I got. So this side and this side. You can see this is why they have that little gel stuff. So now that I'm done waxing, I'm going to take the lid off this. I'm going to spray this. And I got a baby wipe. I'm just gonna clean it. It's very tender, but you can see when you add that stuff, I'm not sticky anymore. It's super soft, but it's super, super sore. I think it got all the hairs. I think the hairs that were there were just stuck onto the sticky part of my skin, because that's like baby butt smooth. So usually when I do wax, it hurts anyway, but the awesome thing about this is it heats up to the right temperature, so you're not going to overheat and get burns, because that's actually happened to me. I've had it too hot, it actually burnt my skin. So that's what it looks like. So it does work. So it definitely works. It is a little painful. If you're used to waxing and stuff, you're going to be okay with it. I've waxed for, I can't even tell you. I've been using like epilators and stuff like that for years now. That's all I ever use. I do not shave at all. So that's why it took so long to actually grow out my hair to do this video. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.